and welcome back. Today I'm going to go into detail on how to best maintain your oiled leather shoes so they not only look good, but also last you a long time. The first step to keeping your oiled leather shoes clean is to pre-treat them. Pre-treating your footwear helps prevent stains and water damage from the very beginning. I covered the pre-treating process in a previous video if you'd like more detail. Once your leather shoes start to show some wear and it's time to clean them up, we recommend using a leather cream or a leather polish. We offer colored polishes like black or brown that can restore the color of your shoes, or neutral colored creams like Skidmore's or Saddle Soap that can be used on a variety of leather colors. Creams add moisture back to the leather and usually take out any blemishes or scuff marks. Creams like Skidmore's will darken the leather, so you'll probably have to do both shoes so that they match. Saddle Soap has less oil in it, and it tends not to darken the leather quite as much. To apply leather cream, first clean the leather with a damp cloth to remove any excess dirt. Let the shoes dry, and then use a rag, brush, or applicator to apply the cream to the leather. Start with a small amount of cream and add more if needed. After the surface is covered, allow the cream to soak for about 30 minutes and then take a clean, dry cloth and rub in any excess cream until the surface is smooth. If you wear your shoes often, we recommend treating them regularly. Leather polishes and leather creams are not meant for all types of leather. We do not recommend that polishes and creams be used on suede or nubuck because the oils can permanently alter the color of these leathers. With these products and all others, we recommend that when you're applying them to your shoes, you test a small spot on the shoe before applying them all over. You can shop the products I discussed today at dodgeshoe.com. Thanks for watching, and check back soon for more videos.